Have you ever applied for dozens of jobs online, only to hear absolutely nothing back? Shock, you are not alone. Welcome to the era of ghost jobs. A massive corporate scam where companies post jobs they have no intention of hiring for. In fact, a recent survey revealed that nearly 43% of hiring managers admitted to leaving job postings active for months with zero plans to fill them. But why do companies do this? First, it's a marketing stunt. It makes the company look growing and successful to investors. Second, it's a psychological game. It keeps their current overworked employees quiet by making them believe that help is on the way. They also collect your data to build a backup pipeline for the future, wasting millions of job seekers' time right now. Next time you don't get a reply, don't lose hope. It might just be a ghost. Did you know that 95% of Fortune 500 companies don't even look at your resume? Shock, yes, it's true. Welcome to the hidden world of the resume AI trap. Before a human recruiter ever sees your application, a brutal AI software called ATS, or Applicant Tracking System, scans it. And guess what? It automatically rejects nearly 75% of resumes within seconds. But how does this AI trap work? It's not looking at your talent, it's looking for specific keywords. If your resume doesn't perfectly match the exact words in the job description, the AI assumes you are unqualified and throws your resume into the digital trash. So, how do you beat this machine? Stop using fancy, colorful templates and complex charts that the AI cannot read. Keep your layout simple, use standard fonts, and copy-paste exact keywords from the job posting into your skills section. Don't let a robot kill your dream job. Is your company trying to make you quit without actually firing you? If you feel miserable at work, you might be a victim of quiet firing. Quiet firing is a toxic corporate tactic where companies won't give you a termination letter. Instead, they make your work environment so bad that you force yourself to resign. They will purposely stop your promotions, deny your salary hikes, and isolate you from important projects. Your manager might stop talking to you, and you will suddenly find yourself excluded from key meetings. But why do companies play this dirty game? It's all about the money. If the company fires you directly, employment laws force them to pay you a huge severance package. But if they stress you out and make you quit on your own, the company saves every single dollar. If you are facing this, don't panic. Document every single work email, save your performance proofs, and talk directly to HR. To expose more corporate secrets like this, subscribe to Averica right now.